Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 9.5 question number 1. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following products. We shall solve question number 6. Here you see question number 6 is a square plus b square into minus a square plus b square. Here we will apply this identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If we arrange this one, if we write b square plus a square into b square minus a square, apply this identity, then it will be b square whole square minus a square whole square. That is, we are getting b to the power 4 minus a to the power 4, and that is the answer. B to the 4 minus a to the power 4. Right? Now solve question number 7. Here you see question number 7 is question number 7, 5, 6, 7. Question number 7 is 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7. We'll apply this identity, that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, we are getting 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7. Therefore, we are getting 6x whole square minus 7 square. So we are getting 6 is 36. X into x is the x square minus 7 is 49. That is the answer of question number 7. That is 36 x square minus 49. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 here you see is question number 8. We solve question number 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is minus a plus c into minus a plus c. Minus a plus c into minus a plus c. Then if we rearrange this one, then if we write here as c minus a into c minus a, and you will get c minus a into c minus a is c minus a whole square. We apply this identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That we are getting here as, that is c minus a whole square. That is, we are getting c square minus 2 ca plus a square. The answer is c square minus 2ac or ca plus a square. This is the answer of question number 8. Now solve question number 9. Now question number 9 here you see is question number 9. Question number 9 is x plus 2 plus 3y plus 4 into x plus 2 x by 2 plus 3y by 4. Here we will apply the identity that a plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Apply this identity, therefore we are getting x by 2 whole square plus 2ab. 2 a is x by 2 into b is 3y by 4, 3y by 4 plus b square is 3y by 4 whole square. If you multiply these two, then you are getting x by 2 plus 3y by 4 whole square. After applying this formula, we are getting this one, that x by 2 whole square plus 2ab 2 x by 2 into 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 whole square. Then we are getting here x square by 2 to the 4. Here see, this 2 is here, this 2 and this 2 will cut, right? Therefore we are getting 3 by 4 xy plus 3 by 4 xy plus 3 to the 9, 4 for the 16 y square. This is the answer of question number 9. X square by 4 plus 3xy by 4 plus 9 by 16 y square. This is the answer of question number 9. Let's solve question number 10. Question number 10 here you see is, question number 10 is 7a minus 9b into 7a minus 9b. Then we are getting here as 7a minus 9b whole square. We will apply this identity, that is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore we are getting here as 7a whole square minus 2, a is 7a and b is 9b plus b square is 9b whole square, 9b whole square. Therefore we are getting 749, 49 a square minus 7 is 63, 63 into 2, 63 into 2, 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, that is 126, 126, that is minus 126 AB plus 981, 81 b into b is b square. Therefore we are getting the answer as 49a square minus 126ab plus 81 b square. This is the answer of question number 10. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.